Talking to the hook, man, we know that. Talking serious, I don't need a fucking road. Like she on her period, she almost fucked up the whole man. Now my watch, that's a whole thing. I'm talking Betty White, no cocaine. Bought her for look like I'm cocaine. 2 liter pineapple, pour the whole thing. I can't fuck with these niggas again. I'm married now, I'm done fucking these bitches again. Take my car, I just made me a ticket again. I hit the bad bitches out of Michigan and I ain't giving shit. Should've got it out the mud, nigga, live for rich. Sippin' white girl all day, none nigga stick. I like bad bitch in bag and she talk rich. Funny how the shirt all black with us. I ain't fuck, we got the shit all rap, we got it off. Cut another half a break, we gon' be in this bitch all night. Yeah, I'm the man, nigga, face little shit. You copy when I spin her on a bitch bracelet. I won't touch a bitch if she basic. I'm in a penthouse when I came out the basement. I hit a brick with a hammer. Yeah, they hit a brick with a hammer, it was hard in the fucking baby. Bro stabbed me in the back, felt like I was Jason. Endured so much pain, I just can't take it. She done jumped on this thing and she can't take it. Yeah. Still dope from one green crib. Yeah, I still fucking one. Yeah, still live out here.
I gotta start. You have to check it. Every state, make sure it's not wet, make sure there's nothing in the bag, before you stay rules.
I'm credit God, I'm in stress. Been going through so much shit, man, I need a blessing. Brody in the feds card telling me keep rapping. This shit ain't going right now, I'm back passing out these tests. My nigga lost his life, I'm back ran around these weapons. I dropped the price, got a nigga flying back out the text. I'm back overnight.
Nah, do your thing. You go. You here first before me.
Niggas just running their feelings when they see you have emotion. Yeah.
Ugly introduction, risk, heartaches, heartbreaks, headache. Growing up in 102, remember all we had was hope. Nigga, all we did was soap. No detergent, was no soap. I caught on to my environment. Had to I had to go. Act I had to see. I've been stepped on.
You look at the dad with the weapons,
My handcuffs, I've been spinning.
I mean, what's the problem with your hand? You're not going to the bathroom. You go to the bathroom. You're not peeing his hands. You're not washing his hands after you go to the bathroom.
Even though I'm broke as fuck, boy, you never let me down. Why you let me down? See me counting all these racks, you looking at me down. See me fucking off that sacks, in and out my backs. Most of all, they like these actors lining all they backs. So I'm nothing like these rappers lining all they acts. I spit all the facts. I put some ice on my wrist. And when I pop out the stairs, man, I hit the crowd with some shit. As soon as I walk out, they stand there. I had been patient for this. I'm the man now, was the man then. I had my way with a bitch. I'm the man now, was the man then. I put some ice on my wrist. And when I pop out the stairs, man, I hit the crowd with some shit. As soon as I walk out, they stand there. I had been patient for this. I'm the man now, was the man then. I had my way with a bitch. I'm the man now, was the man then. I'm that nigga now. Don't roll no switches now. I'ma spend at least $250 when I'm getting high. Remember drinking up 6 ounces just to get me back. I stopped sipping on the deuce, that shit wouldn't get me high. Now I'm riding to the clipboard, jumping on G5s. Remember putting on the 15, rolling up 3 5s. Remember doing shows and features, splitting it with my guys. Sticking to the G code and see nothing wrong in my eyes. I look at devil right in the eyes and some my niggas die. Can't get caught at the light, I wrote that song when I cry. I ain't emotional, you know me, that's another joint for Kobe. Smoking 50 grams of OG, 420 just for Brody. I'ma wish you happy B-Day until the world is smoking Doty. Feel like every day I work, they go take Versace ball, man. Bitches wanna tag alongside. Go a hoe got all the Joe gang. She want me to fuck the wrong gang. I ain't tryna fuck it all, gang. I put some ice on my wrist. And when I pop out these bands, man, I hit the crowd with shit. As soon as I walk out, they stand in. I had to be patient for this. Other man now was the man then. I had my way with the bitch. Other man now was the man then. I put some ice on my wrist. And when I pop out these bands, man, I hit the crowd with some shit. As soon as I walk out, they stand in. I had to be patient for this. Other man now was the man then. I had my way with the bitch. Other man now was the man then.
Take your use this war tape, that's the tape that we allow you, that the state of New Jersey allows.
Squarespace. You can do more than just build a website. You can build a business. Event planners and interior designers draft and send proposals to potential clients. Consultants and photographers create invoices to collect your well-earned payments. And make sure it looks just how you want with a design that's all your own. Done. Squarespace makes offering your services simple. Get started with offer code SoundCloud for 10% off your website or domain.
Trying to get a check, they was procrastinating. I stay around views, I stay around but they keep me motivated. My brother was dropping me on my dick, he more intoxicated. I wanna get deep in his bond, he's telling me I wanna get incarcerated. I told him I ain't make it just because I'm hot, I gotta get nominated. I gotta go tell them and give me a check and I can't my mama with it. I put my perk on my leg, I was ashamed. 21 minutes on gym, I was ashamed. Players call me 9 o'clock, car stop, snatch them up. They talk bad about me, they say I'm going up. They say I don't talk to the jails, he ain't got no guns to sell. He ain't seen no pounds to mail, he don't be on the block for real. Fuck him, he don't die for real. Low key, he a clown for real. He don't do for his guys for real, he stay out of town for real. When he doing his raps, he lying, he doing shows, no time to kill.